Have you heard about BioSludge, the new fertilizer they're using on food farms? They call it a fertilizer, but it's liquefied toxic human waste and dead bodies that they spray onto the fields. According to their rules, they can use BioSludge and apply the certified non-GMO label to their packaging. So if you want to eat well, you can learn to grow your own healthy food. The easiest way to produce streams of food for decades is to grow a food forest, because it imitates a wild forest and sustains itself decade after decade. It's a combination of fruit and nut trees, berries, and healing green herbs. And the soil is full of worms and healthy biota that fertilize all the plants by nature's design. I've gardened for over 50 years and have been growing a food forest for almost 10 years, and this method is a total game changer. The food forest is literally infinitely abundant, and there's a simple set of steps that you can take to create a sustainable food forest in your yard, even if you have a small yard. This is the way people used to grow food in history a long time ago, before these corporate farms came about. So take back your food freedom and your health freedom and your financial freedom and get on the path to growing a food forest in your yard. Enroll in this affordable online course that teaches you everything you need to know to grow a food forest and how to maintain the ongoing streams of nutritious food. I'm presenting this message to you because nature and some wise mentors taught it to me. I had to speak up to help those who are looking for a solution. So I wrote an inspiring book that shows that we do live on a planet of infinite abundance. And I put together a course that includes 8 essential steps that you can learn that will keep you growing a food forest for the rest of your life. You can get started right away. To learn more, click the link now.